exploring the marvels of the $2 billion Las Vegas Sphere. Welcome to a journey inside the $2 billion Las Vegas Sphere, the most mesmerizing venue ever conceived in entertainment history. From the visionary minds at Madison Square Garden Entertainment, this marvel promises an unparalleled experience. Spanning over 366 feet high and 516 feet wide, the Sphere is an architectural and technological marvel unlike anything else. Its exterior is covered with fully programmable LEDs, making it a dazzling spectacle in the heart of Las Vegas. Inside, the Sphere houses the largest and highest resolution LED screen in the world, wrapping around its vast interior. This screen doesn't just display images, it immerses you in them, creating a fully 360-degree visual environment. The audio system is just as impressive, with thousands of speakers delivering an incomparable crystal-clear sound from every direction. Imagine attending a concert where not only the music, but the entire venue becomes part of the performance. Beyond entertainment, the Sphere also hosts events, conferences, and even esports tournaments, making it a multi-purpose marvel. Every seat is designed to give the spectator a perfect view, ensuring an unforgettable visitor experience. The project also aims at sustainability, with features designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing visitor enjoyment. This $2 billion dream is now a reality, redefining what entertainment and architectural innovation mean in the 21st century.